No time to cook something? Useful and convenient snacks in the autumn. With the advent of autumn, a lot of work appeared in people. Not always there is a desire and time to cook yourself a healthy and convenient snack. Therefore, you should always have at hand some products that will help you not to starve to death. Honey consists mainly of fructose and glucose, which calms the body better than glucose alone. This is not only a healthy snack, but also very convenient. Indeed, now honey is sold in bags. It can be bought without any problems in any store. Fruit puree jars of fruit mashed potatoes are a great snack alternative. It can be bought at almost all stores. In addition, baby puree is healthy, inexpensive and convenient for snacking. Raisins are a good source of carbohydrates. It positively affects mental activity and the general condition of the body. You can also have a snack with dates. Pear. This fruit contains a complex of vitamins, which are very necessary for our body. Juicy flesh satisfies hunger and gives a feeling of fullness. For people who are going to lose weight, a pear is an excellent snack. It helps to get rid of extra pounds. And pear is an excellent product that will help overcome spleen and depression, and in the fall it is a frequent occurrence in people's lives. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.